Friends, how are you? By blessings of God, you are doing well. Friends, this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, Fakirmoni University, Basabihar, Balasar, Odisha. Friends, today we are going to discuss the very interesting topic and content, and so far as this discussion will be very useful to all of you. Whether you are pursuing your study, whether you are preparing for your competitive examination, whether you are not studying or you are employed, to all categories. So this video lecture will be very interesting. Friends, today we are going to discuss the 70 popular car brands and their origin. I mean, from which country these popular car brands are being produced. Friends, so without delay, we will discuss the 70 popular car brands and with their origin country. And during the discussion, you will get the car image, and these car images are very and attractive and lovable and both para. So friends, without delay, we will start our discussion. Again, I am requesting to all of you from beginning to till end, kindly watch it, and during the discussion, if any problem with regard to the pronunciation, friends, don't mind it. Kindly go for the in Google, you can get the correct pronunciation. Friends, without delay, we will start our discussion. Friends, the first one, the brand is Fiat. From which country? From the Italy. And so these are the very attractive, and that is the lovable, that is the car brands and the designs. So first one, the Fiat is being produced or from the Italy country. Similarly, the Ferrari is also from the Italy country. Then Alfa Romeo, it's also from the Italy country. Then Pagani, it's also from which country? Italy country. So Fiat, Ferrari, Alfa Romeo and the Pagani. So these cars are being produced by the Italy. So these are the very popular brands in Italy, as well as in India. We are also finding these brands. So next, Mercedes-Benz, from which country? Germany. Audi is also from Germany, and the Volkswagen, it's also from Germany. Opel, it's also from the Germany. So Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Volkswagen, Opel. So these are from which country? The Germany country. So next, the BMW. We are talking BMW. So these are very costly. So BMW is also from Germany country. Ford is also from America, or you can say United States of America or USA. Then Chevrolet from America. Then Jeep is also from America. Then Stars is also from America. The Ford, Chevrolet, Jeep, Stars from USA, I mean America. So next to the Toyota from Japan. Nissan from Japan. Honda is also from Japan country. Then Infiniti is also from Japan country. Then Lexus is also from Japan country. Again I am repeating: Toyota, Nissan, Honda, Infiniti, Lexus. It from which country? The Japan country. So these are the very popular car brands in all over the world. So next, that is the Lotus from United Kingdom. Then Bentley, it's also from United Kingdom. Then Jaguar from United Kingdom. Then the Land Rover from United Kingdom. It's MG Motors from United Kingdom. So these are very costly brands. Again I am repeating: Lotus, Bentley, Jaguar, Land Rover, MG Motors from which country? United Kingdom. I mean from the Britain or I from the England. So next, Volvo, Saab from which country? Sweden country. And the Polestar also is also from Sweden country. Then come to the Mahindra and Mahindra from India. Again I am repeating, Volvo, Saab, Polestar from which country? The Sweden country. Mahindra, it is from India. So next, the Tata from India, Maruti Suzuki also from India, then Renault from which country? The France, then Pinot from France country, then DS Automobiles from France country, Josh from Australia, then Hyundai from South Korea, then Kia Motors, it's also from South Korea, then Lada from Russia, then UAZ from Russia, both the Lada and UAZ from Russia country, then BYD Auto from China, then BAW from China, then Cherry Automobile from China, then Brilliance, it's also from China. Again I am repeating, BYD Auto, BAW, Cherry Automobiles, Brilliance from which country? China country. Then KTM from Austria, then Seat from Spain, and the Skoda Auto is from Czech Republic, then Tatra from Czech Republic, both the Skoda and the Tatra from which country? Czech Republic. Next, Genvo Automotive from which country? Denmark, then Magnum from Canada, then Tristar from Canada, both the Magnum and Tristar from which country? Canada country. Then Perodua from Malaysia, then Inferno from which country? Mexico. Shell from which country? Netherlands. Again I am repeating, Perodua from which country? Malaysia, Inferno from Mexico, then Shell from Netherlands. Friends, Holmi from which country? New Zealand, then Vest from Norway country, then Adam from our neighboring country Pakistan, then KHM from Poland, then UMM from Portugal, then Aero from Romania country. Again I am repeating, Holmi, it's from New Zealand, then Vest from Norway, then Adam from Pakistan, then KHM from Poland, then UMM from Portugal, Aero from Romania. Then Banda Electrics from Singapore, then CAV from which country? South Africa, then GTA Motor from Spain, then Vega from Sri Lanka, then FAB AFEB Design from which country? Switzerland, then Renspeed, it's also from Switzerland. Again I am repeating, Banda Electrics from Singapore, then CAV from South Africa, then GTA Motor from which country? Spain, then Vega, it's from Sri Lanka, then FAB FAB Design from which country? Switzerland, then Renspeed from which country? Switzerland. So next, it's a CPI motor from which country? Taiwan. Very attractive design. Then Thunder Power from which country? Taiwan. Then the therein from which country? Thailand. Then Topaz from Turkey. Again I am repeating, CPI motor from Taiwan, then Thunder Power, it's also from Taiwan, then Thailand is also from which country? sorry, Thailand, it's from Thailand country, then Thopas, it's from Turkey country. So next, that is the Anadol, from which country? Turkey. Then Zaz, Z-A-Z, it's from Ukraine. Then W Motors, it's from UAE, I mean United Arab Emirates. Then Vinfast, it's from the Vietnam. Friends, again I am repeating, Anadol from Turkey country, then Zaz from which country? Ukraine country. Then W Motors from United Arab Emirates. Then Vinfast, it's from Vietnam. So friends, thanks a lot to all of you. So these are all about the 70 popular brands with their country. So again I am requesting to all of you, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly you subscribe it, kindly you share it, kindly you forward it, and I am waiting your valuable suggestion and comments. Again friends, I am requesting to all of you, if during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find with regard to the pronunciation, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So far as your valuable comment and suggestions are most welcome for the next video. So once again, thanks a lot to all of you.